Hello guys, welcome back to the CTXCLOUD. Today we are going to install our external DNS server. To install your external DNS server, first of all you guys need to install the CentOS 7. For that, let me create a new virtual machine. Click on new and click on virtual machine. Click on next. Here I am going to give the name DNS. Let me give the external DNS, which will host our website ctxcloud.in. Click on next. Here you need to give your RAM. As I said in my previous video, depending upon the your virtual machine, you can give your RAM. Click on next. Here I am going to select my external WAN network because it is going to create an external DNS server. Click on next. Here you guys need to mention how much hard disk you want to give this external DNS server. Click on next. Now you guys need to mount the centos 7 ISO here. Click on open, click on next, and then finish. So my virtual machine has been created. Let me power on this virtual machine. I'm going to tell you all step-by-step process, so just wait for 1 second. So here first of all you guys need to select the option number 1. Just select here and install CentOS. Maximize this screen and you guys can see that my installation has been started. So it will take like 1 or 2 minutes to install. So here you guys need to select your language. So I'm going to with the default, and you guys need to select uh, your region here. So I'm going to select English India. Click on continue. So in this server we are going to install the cyber panel. So for the cyber panel you need to install the core server, not a GUI mode. So just make sure you are using the core server here. Installation media I have already it's detected. So click on done. Here you need to select the software selection. So here you make sure you guys will select the infrastructure server here. Click on done. After that you need to select this hard disk where you want to install this server. So I'm going to select this virtual disk. Click on done. Now it's time to select the networking. So click on the Ethernet, and now you guys need to mention a static IP here. So I'm going to select this IPv4 settings from the DHCP to change it to the manual. Now you guys need to give the IP address. So click on add and mention your IP address. So I'm going with 192.168.100.10. Give the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and this is my default gateway 192.168.100.1. So guys, you can see that my installation has been completed on this server, and I'm going to reboot this server. So guys, you can see that my server is back after the installation, and it's ready to install the cyber panel, so which we are going to do in our next video. So this is the end of this video, and if you guys think that videos are informative, just subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends. Thank you guys, and stay connected with the CTX Cloud.